Welcome to Tech Solution. How to connect Rockspace Wi-Fi Extender. Method 1, via the WPS button. Press the WPS button on the router. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender. Wait until the signal LED on the extender turns blue, which indicates a successful connection. Method 2, via a web browser. Connect your computer or smartphone to the extender's network Rockspace. The login window pops up automatically. If it doesn't, launch a web browser and enter http://re.rockspace.local or 192.168.0.254 manually to get started. Create your admin password and record it down for later use. Click Next. From the list of available wireless networks, select the Wi-Fi network, SSID, you want to extend. Enter the password of the Wi-Fi network you want to extend. Wait until the page shows you extended successfully. Relocate your extender. Plug in the extender about halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. The location you choose must be within the range of your router. Wait for about 2 minutes until the signal LED turns blue. If it doesn't, relocate the extender closer to the router to achieve better signal quality. Thanks for watching.